If you've decided to reopen a closed Facebook account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Go to the Facebook website or open the app. You will need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide your email address or phone number linked to your account. Facebook will send you a link or code to help you regain access. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Check your email or SMS for the recovery link or code. Click the link or enter the code on Facebook to verify your identity and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Reactivate your account. Once you have verified your identity, you will be prompted to reactivate your account. Follow the instructions to complete the process and regain access to your Facebook account. After completing these steps, you should have your Facebook account reopened. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance.